controller.
Okay.
This is mine.
My new controller that might not work. Didn't we get that from the same guy?
Yeah.
All
Okay. So, I was doing the monkey bars earlier.
right. Monkey.
I was doing the monkey bars earlier.
Oh yeah, I saw you over there. You used to love that when you were a kid.
I know. And that makes me feel old.
Because you can't do them.
Hey, freaking Ellison is being a baby. She didn't get through like half of them. I did more than she did.
She's the gymnast.
I know.
She should have no problems.
Did you just start a game without
No, I
them?
did not.
Can you not do 2-player?
That's just music.
Yeah, I know.
I guess not.
Okay. Well,
That's alright. We'll take turns once.
this is my favorite version of Tetris.
It's the real Tetris.
I used to play this. Used to play the emulation of this on my Chromebook at school all the time.
I'm surprised they let you have that on your Chromebook at school.
They didn't even know the site existed. The only sites that are banned are the ones that they know. So like, if they're not looking for video game sites and banning them, they're not going to be banned.
That's funny. I used to do the same thing in the corporate world.
Me and my friends used to play Tetris a lot.
It's better than other things you could be doing.
Well, we would also wait till we were done with all of our work before we played any games. That way, if the teachers couldn't really get mad at us because we already did what we were supposed to.
Good kids that did your work. This game caused lots of controversy because of royalties and rights.
Probably because they got it from Russia. It was like this whole big thing.
Yeah. Don't bite that kitty.
She liked eating the
I know. No biting the cords, silly. I think Ty was doing Techno Bowl tonight.
Yeah.
I'll have to watch it later. It's cool you're playing now, Ty. I'm sure you're gonna watch this.
I need a freaking. It's not giving me any straight pieces.
I know you got lots of ones to do too.
Oh my goodness.
You're just gonna have to do it. Yeah, get one and get down.
Okay, there you go. I got one.
You're all set. Now you got him. You can't use it there. It's got a bad one.
I'll fix it. I had to put that there.
Remember playing Tetris 2 and I was still playing Tetris 1? You were getting so mad at me.
Yeah, that was so annoying. You were playing it wrong.
Yeah, I was totally playing it wrong. Do you hear Bobby? Push it over.
I feel like for a lot of people, Tetris is like the first game they like
Play.
yeah.
Minesweeper in the corporate world.
Yeah. Well, the Game Boy with Tetris got a lot of adults into the game because it's like Minesweeper, where it's like more of a
Thinking game.
yeah. It's easier to understand. Like most people can pick up Tetris and figure out how to play it.
Yeah.
Or like Mario or something like that. Especially at that point, if you had never played a video game before. Christmas colors.
Kitty's so funny. What are you chasing? You're doing good, Lord.
That's one of my favorite games.
And this is the Nutcracker.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Yeah.
Pyramids are good.
It's always so nice when you have like nothing on the bottom.
Yeah,
You just feel so much like,
I've accomplished it.
yeah.
I've beat the game, but you haven't beat the game. You've only stalled it.
You can never beat this
No. It's achievement based. Faster now. Once you get to 100, it gets nuts.
Yeah, I don't normally get too far past 100. Have you ever seen the Tetris competitions?
Yeah.
They're nuts. Like,
Yeah. We used to think we were good if you get to level 10.
I don't know. Then you see them, they start at like level 10 and then they go up from there. Okay, come on.
You can fix it.
Okay, I'm happy now. Now whatever happens, happens. I'm not gonna hit.
Don't quit. I gotta
I'm not
beat you.
quitting.
I gotta beat you.
Okay, okay. 101. You gotta be
101. Okay. Hey, you get something. Is it the space shuttle? Oh, that's right. It's Russian. That's it?
Yeah. I think my best was like 113.
Yeah. I don't remember. Mine is way over 100 though. The Game Boy. The Game Boy. That's what I played it on.
Yeah, it's the same game. Now the newer games, what they have that's kind of like a cheat is they have the hold spot, you know, where you can put a piece away.
Yeah, that's bull.
And that, like, it makes it so much easier. It's crazy.
That's bull. It's cheating.
That's the version we used to play, and then I wanted to play this. I just like the way this version looks better than all the other versions.
That sucks. That's where that hole would have been good. Decisions. See, I'm wasting all my lines.
Just didn't put that in there.
I'm still wasting it. Dang it. It's not the one I wanted. Oh,
You can fix it.
yeah. I know. But see, I still want that one there. I got a Tetris waiting for me.
I would have put that on there.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking that too. That's okay.
It's okay, you got another one. Those ones are the best for when you have those spots like that because you can put it wherever.
Yeah.
I used to be like really good on the keyboard with this game,
Yeah.
And then I stopped playing it on the keyboard, started only playing on the NES, and then I went back to go play it. And I'm like awful now because like I don't remember like because I had my own
Keystrokes.
I had my own custom layout
Yeah.
that made the most sense to me, and then I like stopped using it. And it was like, there you go.
Oh yeah.
What's the worst when you have a piece like that?
Yeah. Then you just gotta start a new line.
Yeah, it's okay though. You'll be able to get it back.
I'm working my way back down. Oh! Dang it! I hate it when that happens.
You're deaf person.
Yeah. There we go again. Old man eyes. Dang it.
I like how we always say we do too many NES stuff. But we always end up going
I
back to
know,
the
it's
NES.
the best console. I know, we keep saying that.
Well, the games on like the other systems just aren't as fun.
Well, they got a lot of these kind of games that, you know, your old man can play and compete.
Yeah. Well, and the Super Nintendo has a lot of good games, but like they're too expensive. I don't own many of them.
Yeah. There's some truth to
Same
that.
with like the Genesis. Like there's a lot of good games. It's just they're all kind of they're all like $40 or more, so it's hard for me to buy them. Because they're like, whereas the NES is a bunch of $10 games that are like
Yeah.
like Batman. That game's amazing. The first Adventure Island, TMNT. Like there's so many good games. Ninja Gaiden, the first Ninja Gaiden is only like $9.
Yeah.
Even Mega Man 3 is like $20 something, $30. Like it's not too bad. Like
Alright, I'm getting myself in a box. I know. I'm screwing up. I'm daydreaming over here. I gotta start playing single rows. Ah! I'm not even gonna get to 100. I'm not even gonna get to 50.
Try, yes, you might be able to.
Oh, I'll bring it back.
Yeah, like that green piece. Put that. No. You should have put that right over there.
I'm totally screwing up. Oh, now I get along, please. Oh, no.
Okay, get that in. Yes, okay, now, yeah, get that all over. Put that. Oh, you should put that different.
I can't do it.
Put that there.
It's gonna do it to me again.
No.
Oh no!
26.
We needed to end this anyways.
Yeah,
We're at
yeah.
20 minutes.
I
Yeah. I hope you guys dig, like and subscribe and all that. Go check out our Urban Legend RC. He's doing them now too. Check him out. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.